What does this road sign mean? 1. Closed lane. 2. Road turns right. 3. Slight bend or curve in the road ahead. 4. Yield to the right. The answer is 1. Closed lane. What does this sign mean? 1. Vehicles cannot change lanes into or out of a high occupancy vehicle (HOV) lane in this area. 2. There is a railway crossing ahead. Be alert for trains. 3. There is a hazard close to the edge of the road. The downward lines show the side on which you may safely pass. 4. This is a pedestrian crossover. Be prepared to stop and yield the right of way to pedestrians. The answer is 1. Vehicles cannot change lanes into or out of a high occupancy vehicle (HOV) lane in this area. What does this road sign mean? 1. This is a pedestrian crossover. 2. This is a school zone. 3. Uneven pavement is ahead. 4. This is a construction zone. The answer is 1. This is a pedestrian crossover. Be prepared to stop and yield the right of way to pedestrians. You may not pass within 30 meters of a pedestrian crossover. What does this road sign mean? 1. This lane is for trucks only. 2. This lane is not for bicycles. 3. This lane is for bicycles only. 4. This lane is for buses only. The answer is 3. This lane is for bicycles only. A diamond symbol indicates a reserved lane, a lane in which only certain kinds of vehicles may legally travel. What does this road sign mean? 1. Factory ahead. 2. Bumpy or uneven pavement ahead. 3. Construction zone ahead. 4. Bridge or viaduct ahead. The answer is 2. Bumpy or uneven pavement ahead. What does this road sign mean? 1. This lane is for bicycles only. 2. This road is an official bicycle route. 3. There is a bicycle crossing ahead. 4. No pedestrians are allowed on this road. The answer is 2. This road is an official bicycle route. Watch for cyclists and be prepared to share the road with them. What does this road sign mean? 1. Maximum safe speed for a curve. 2. Maximum safe speed on the shoulder. 3. Maximum speed limit at night. 4. Recommended speed in a construction zone. The answer is 1. Maximum safe speed for a curve. This road sign means that parking is permitted. 1. Only for vehicles displaying a valid accessible parking permit. 2. For all vehicles. 3. Only for vehicles with very young child passengers. 4. For electric vehicles. The answer is 1. Only for vehicles displaying a valid accessible parking permit. This sign features the international symbol of access for persons with disabilities. What does this road sign mean? 1. Bumpy road ahead. 2. Underpass ahead. 3. School zone ahead. 4. Possible falling rocks ahead. The answer is 2. Underpass ahead. This sign indicates an underpass ahead with only 3.9 meters of vertical clearance. In Ontario, trucks can legally be up to 4.15 meters tall. What does this road sign mean? 1. Truck entrance ahead on the right. 2. No trucks allowed. 3. Slow down for trucks. 4. Truck route. The answer is 1. Truck entrance ahead on the right. What does this road sign mean? 1. You may not stop for any reason. 2. You may stop temporarily to load or unload passengers but not merchandise. 3. You may stop temporarily to load or unload merchandise but not passengers. 4. You may stop temporarily to load or unload passengers or merchandise. The answer is 2. You may stop temporarily to load or unload passengers but not merchandise. However, no parking means you may stop only temporarily to load or unload passengers or merchandise, while no stopping means you may not stop for any reason, not even temporarily, unless you've directed to do so by a traffic sign or signal or a police officer. What does this road sign mean? 1. No trucks allowed. 2. Steep hill ahead. 3. Passing not allowed. 4. Possible falling rocks ahead. The answer is 4. Possible falling rocks ahead. What does this road sign mean? 1. Deer regularly cross here. 2. There is a zoo ahead. 3. Do not honk at animals. 4. Deer are welcome. The answer is 1. Deer regularly cross here. Watch for deer and be prepared to stop for them. What does this road sign mean? 1. There is a snowmobile repair shop ahead. 2. There is snowmobile parking ahead. 3. Snowmobiles cross this road ahead. 4. Snowmobiles are not allowed ahead. The answer is 3. Snowmobiles cross this road ahead. What does this road sign mean? 1. Railway crossing ahead. 2. Intersection with unpaved road ahead. 3. Bridge crossing ahead. 4. None of the above. The answer is 1. Railway crossing ahead. Slow down. Watch for trains and be prepared to stop if a train is approaching. What does this road sign mean? 1. Divided highway ahead. 2. One-way street ahead. 3. Hidden intersection ahead. 4. Narrow roadway ahead. The answer is 4. Narrow roadway ahead. It indicates that the roadway narrows without a reduction in the number of lanes. What does this road sign mean? 1. Narrow road ahead. 2. Road ahead turns left, then right. 3. Road ahead turns right, then left. 4. Intersection ahead. The answer is 3. Road ahead turns right, then left. It indicates a double curve ahead. If the road ahead had 3 or more curves, a winding road sign would be posted instead. What does this road sign mean? 1. Divided highway ahead. 2. Divided highway ends. 3. Narrow bridge ahead. 4. Road under construction. The answer is 2. Divided highway ends. Keep right and watch for oncoming vehicles. What does this road sign mean? 1. Stop sign ahead. 2. Yield right of way. 3. Dead end street ahead. 4. Slow moving vehicles ahead. The answer is 1. Stop sign ahead. What does this road sign mean? 1. There are police officers at this intersection. 2. Vehicles that stop at this red light will be photographed. 3. You must stop for a red light at this intersection. 4. Vehicles that don't stop at this red light will be photographed. The answer is 4. Vehicles that don't stop at this red light will be photographed. What does this road sign mean? 1. Bus entrance ahead on the right. 2. Fire truck entrance ahead on the right. 3. Truck entrance ahead on the right. 4. None of the above. The answer is 2. Fire truck entrance ahead on the right. Prepare to yield to fire trucks entering the roadway. What does this sign mean? 1. You may exit if you remain in the right-hand lane. 2. You must not drive in the right-hand lane under any circumstances. 3. This is the end of the highway. You must move into the right-hand lane. 4. You must exit if you remain in the right-hand lane. The answer is 4. You must exit if you remain in the right-hand lane. If you don't want to exit this roadway, move out of the right-hand lane. What does this road sign mean? 1. Hidden intersection ahead. 2. Winding road. 3. Road slippery when wet. 4. Narrow road ahead. The answer is 2. Winding road. What does this sign mean? 1. Restroom availability. 2. Accessible parking area. 3. Recreation area ahead. 4. Hospital ahead. The answer is 2. Accessible parking area. What does this sign mean? 1. Do not enter. 2. Railway crossing. 3. Pedestrian crossing. 4. Uncontrolled intersection. The answer is 2. Railway crossing. All railway crossings on public roads in Ontario are marked with large red and white crossbuck signs. When a train is approaching, you must stop and yield to the train. Remember, the train cannot yield to you. What does this sign mean? 1. Divided highway begins. 2. Divided highway ends. 3. Two-way traffic. 4. Road under construction. The answer is 1. Divided highway begins. Road ahead is divided by a median. Keep right of it. What does this road sign mean? 1. No bicycles allowed. 2. No pedestrians allowed. 3. No children allowed. 4. Only dogs allowed. The answer is 2. No pedestrians allowed. What does this sign mean? 1. Drive to the right of the sign. 2. Drive to the left of the sign. 3. You may stop and rest here. 4. There is a playground ahead. The answer is 1. Drive to the right of the sign. This is a hazard warning sign. The downward lines indicates the side on which you may bypass the hazard, in this case, to its right. This driver is using a hand signal. The driver intends to 1. Turn right. 2. Turn left. 3. Slow down or stop. 4. Speed up. The answer is 2. Turn left. What does this sign mean? 1. Shows directions to nearby towns or cities. 2. Shows distances to towns or cities. 3. Indicates an upcoming railway crossing. 4. Shows the exits on the upcoming roundabout and where they will take you. The answer is 4. Shows the exits on the upcoming roundabout and where they will take you. What does this road sign mean? 1. Playground. 2. Pedestrian crosswalk. 3. School zone. 4. Park ahead. The answer is 3. School zone. What does this road sign mean? 1. You may not turn right on a green light. 2. There is no road on the right side of the intersection. 3. You may not turn left on a red light. 4. You may not turn right on a red light. The answer is 4. You may not turn right on a red light. Except there is also a green arrow light pointing right. What does this sign mean? 1. You may exit if you remain in the right-hand lane. 2. You must not drive in the right-hand lane. 3. The highway ends ahead. You must move into the right-hand lane. 4. This is a two-way left turn lane. The answer is 4. This is a two-way left turn lane. This is a lane in the center of the roadway that can be used by vehicles traveling in either direction to make left turns. What does this road sign mean? 1. Watch for people with disabilities. 2. Passing is not allowed. 3. This is a wheelchair crossing. 4. A school crossing is ahead. The answer is 4. A school crossing is ahead. Follow the directions of the crossing guard or school safety patroller. What does this road sign mean? 1. There is a movable bridge ahead. 2. Do not enter. 3. There might be water flowing over the road. 4. There is a construction zone ahead. The answer is 3. There may be water flowing over the road. A sign with a green circle. 1. Indicates a truck route. 2. Is a prohibitory sign. 3. Indicates a route for large trucks. 4. Is a permissive sign. The answer is 4. Is a permissive sign. What does this road sign mean? 1. Keep right. 2. Keep left. 3. Do not enter. 4. Do not pass. The answer is 3. Do not enter. What does this sign mean? 1. Only certain types of vehicles are allowed in this lane during the times and days posted. 2. Buses are not allowed in this lane during the times and days posted. 3. No stopping is allowed during the times and days posted. 4. Do not enter during the times and days posted. The answer is 1. Only certain types of vehicles are allowed in this lane during certain times and days posted. This is a high occupancy vehicle, HOV, sign. It indicates that only passenger vehicles with at least 3 occupants, that is at least 2 passengers, may use this lane. What does this sign mean? 1. Keep right of the obstacle ahead. 2. The road turns right and then left. 3. There is a winding road ahead. 4. Pass other traffic on the right. The answer is 1. Keep right of the obstacle ahead. It indicates a divider, traffic island or other obstacle ahead. What does this road sign mean? 1. Hidden school bus stop ahead. 2. Hidden intersection ahead. 3. School zone ahead. 4. Hidden bus bay ahead. The answer is 1. Hidden school bus stop ahead. School buses stop with flashing red lights there. Slow down, drive with extra caution, and watch for children or a school bus with flashing red lights. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on G1 Knowledge Test Exam questions.